If you don't mind, we would like to take a moment to invite you to an ongoing performance in a hall of tragedies to watch the circus of the dead. Feel the spotlight fading, we can't do this alone. Need an audience so we can play out our roles. Got a front row seat that's so close, it's like you're part of the show. Yeah.
There's a place in the dark where stories go to hide, buried deep underground, painted torment like an ice. Whoa, on a lit up stage. Whoa, tears on display. There's a place in the dark where stories go to hide, buried deep underground, painted torment like an ice. Whoa, on a lit up stage. Tears on display.
The show must go on. Hit the lights, we're going till there's no pulse left. This masquerade of souls needs a victim. Won't you be our hopeless guest? And if it helps, you can't pretend. It's make-believe inside your head. This nightmare's as real as it gets. In the circus of the, in the circus of the, in the circus of the dead. Good you got here just in time, you better hurry. It's our show, but you're the star destined for glory. Here performing death-defying acts that we can't wait to see. Body count high as the tightrope, will you make it? Zero safety nets, the tension is electric. Tonight you're the one that jumps through hoops, we're going off the script.
There's a place in the dark where stories go to hide, buried deep underground, painted torment like an ice. Whoa, on a lit up stage. Whoa, tears on display. There's a place in the dark where stories go to hide, buried deep underground, painted torment like an ice. Whoa, on a lit up stage. Tears on display.
The show must go on. Hit the lights, we're going till there's no pulse left. This masquerade of souls needs a victim. Won't you be our hopeless guest? And if it helps, you can't pretend. It's make-believe inside your head. This nightmare's as real as it gets. In the circus of the, in the circus of the, in the circus of the dead. It's where fear comes to life. No, you never stood a chance as you gasp for breath.
Here on the stage.
You can run, you can hide. Feel the cold steel on your hands, crawling to your death.
There's no escape.
It's a spectacle that drags you down 6 feet below. So you should have stayed and just enjoyed some time at home. Encore, now the ring master comes for you. It's the grand finale, it'll all be over soon. In the circus of the, 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 in the circus of pretend. It's make-believe inside your head. This nightmare's as real as it gets. In the circus of the, in the circus of the, in the circus of the dead.
There is a legend born long ago about a wicked man no one knows when it unraveled. 6 innocent little souls
lost to foul play, but we got an upgrade. Lots more teeth for eating you whole. Here comes another chapter. Your heart is beating faster, 'cause you're the one we're after. The nights and Fridays won't thank you for bringing us home. Like you just playing a game. That's when the wicked man led us astray without a warning. Our lives have been rearranged. As for our story, the story's not over yet. There's still one secret left to be said. Tonight when you are safely tucked into your bed, close all the doors that you want. We're already in your head. This world's a scary place. We're not monsters, just shades. Bigger hands for grabbing a hold. We were lost to foul play, but we got an upgrade. Lots more teeth for eating you whole. Here comes another chapter. Your heart is beating faster, 'cause you're the one we're after. The nights and Fridays won't thank you for bringing us home.
Hey guys, this is my actual voice, and I just wanted to say Happy 4th of July. And since I'm here, I want to give out a very special shout out since you guys didn't hear my voice for almost 4 months. The special shout out goes to, drumroll please, it goes to Amy and Luna. Now, the reason why I chose her is because I met her through a comment on my on one of my Speedpaint videos. It's called Steve Cash RIP Speedpaint, and she wanted a request for her OC Amy. So then I did, and then I just subscribed to her. Well, actually, she subscribed to me. That's how we became buddies, you know? Anyways, happy 4th of July, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.